Good morning students, welcome to English class. Beta, yesterday we have completed the poem Dagi. Now we will do the word meaning and the exercises of the lesson poem. Okay beta, so let's start. Word meaning of the king. First one is famous and the meaning of famous is well known. बहुत जाना पहचाना famous प्रसिद्ध. Now the second one is secret and the meaning of secret is confidential. Yes, बहुत ज़्यादा. Now third one is stuffed. Stuffed means and the meaning of stuffed is full. Yes. Now the fourth one is treasure and the treasure meaning of the treasure is valuables. Now fifth one is adventure and the meaning of adventure is an exciting experience. And the last is yesterday and the meaning of yesterday is the previous day. Now we will do the exercise of the key. Beta, on the B4 exercise, on the basis of your reading of the poem, complete the following sentences and draw a rough sketch in the space provided. Beta, you have read the rest poem. Now the question is, on the basis of your reading of the poem, you have to fill the sentences. Okay beta, and you should draw a rough sketch in the space provided. That means आपको एक बॉक्स दिख रहा है खाली, आपको वहाँ पर वो फिलअप जो हम भरेंगे उसका आपने रफ स्केच जो है यहाँ पे बनाना है. ओके बेटा, तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ की वॉज इन द, की कहाँ थी बेटा? येस, डू यू रिमेंबर? ए की वॉज इन द पॉकेट. येस, एंड बेटा आपको ये पॉकेट का जो है वो आपको इस ब्लैंक बॉक्स में बनानी है. ओके, इनका पिक्चर जो है वो सारी ब्लैंक बॉक्स में बनानी है कि वॉज इन द पॉकेट. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज ट्रेजर चेस्ट वाज फुल ऑफ. Yes, tell me, treasure chest was full of, do you remember? Treasure chest was full of diamonds and gold. Yes. Now the third one is secrets. Secrets were written in a journal. Okay beta. Now the next one is he would drive a dash when he becomes older. Yes, tell me beta. Yes, he would drive a sports car when he becomes older. Okay beta. Now we will do the B5 exercise. Yes, B5 exercise given below is the flow chart of sequence of events as explained in the poem. Complete the flow chart and the first one has been done for you. Beta, that is the flow chart, the sequence of the events has explained in the poem and you have to complete it. Okay, so beta, let's start. The boy had a key in the pocket. Boy की key pocket में थी. Now he found it yesterday. Yes. Now it could open a treasure chest. Now in the next it may open a journal and the people would cheer if he finds it and reads it. It might fit in a sports car but he is too young. बहुत यंग है टू ड्राइव इट राइट नाउ. अभी तो वो छोटा है ना स्पोर्ट्स कार के लिए. नाउ माई फ्रेंड विल से वाओ व्हेन आई वुड ड्राइव इट. ओके, एंड बट इट्स मोर फन जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. सो बेटा, दैट इज द B5 exercise. Now we will do the B7 exercise. Now the B7 exercise is what can we say about the child in the poem. Okay, work in pair and tick all the correct responses. So beta, what can we say? You have read the poem and now you have to tell what can about the child in the poem. Okay, now first one is he would like to become famous. Beta, वो famous बनना चाहता था. Yes, तो tick. Now the second one is fond of reading books. Yes, tick. Third one is he would like to become rich. Okay, yes, he would like to become rich na. Now fourth one is he loves adventure. Of course he loves adventure. And fifth one is he has a very good imagination. Yes, he has a very good imagination so that he imagines so many things. ठीक है, तो बेटा यू हैव टू टिक ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सेस, ओके, ऑल द ऑप्शंस, okay. Now you have to write B4 and B4, B5 and B7 in your book and word meaning on in your notebook. Okay beta, thank you.